Hi guys, I'm Laura Vitale, and I meant to say it today on this episode all at one time. Hi guys, I'm Laura Vitale, and today I want to show you to make a quick but classic macaroni salad. It takes several ingredients, which you probably already have on hand. It's a mayo-based macaroni salad, which I'm sure you're very familiar with, but I'm sharing it with you because A, it's a staple in the summertime, and B, every recipe that I've seen for this, or even when you go to your local deli to get it, 9 times out of 10, the recipe has sugar in it, and it's really sweet, and it baffles me. I don't understand. There's no need for sugar in macaroni salad, so if you put sugar in yours, that's great. I do not, and I'm going to show you this way because it's really easy and simple, and everybody around here loves it. The ingredients you'll need are not many. You'll need some diced celery and red bell pepper. You'll need Dijon mustard and some mayo. What I have here is the granulated garlic, onion, and some celery salt, white wine vinegar, additional salt, macaroni. These are just elbow macaroni that I've cooked until al dente, drained and shocked them in cold water to stop them from cooking any further. And then make sure that you place them in a colander and let them sit in there and shake them around for a good 5-6 minutes to make sure that there's no excess water in this recipe at all. Then you need red onion and some parsley. And that's pretty much it. Now, you really, by the way, this curly parsley is the parsley that we're growing in our garden. Now you might be wondering, why are you using curly parsley? Why are you growing curly parsley instead of Italian parsley? I know you're wondering with your fingers, just like that. The reason is curly parsley just grows much more in a condensed sort of bush-like form, and then Italian parsley, which we've tried growing for years, it kind of just grows all over the place, and it never really grows into a big full parsley bush like curly parsley does. So that's why I'm using curly. I'm going to just chop up my parsley. Now, you know, you really can use whatever you want in your pasta salad, but these really for me are the traditional flavors that I love. I feel like everything complements each other really well, and it's really similar to like a potato salad, but it's just, I don't know, I think it's a little more comforting and a more, I would say, familiar around here anyway. It might not be that way all over the country, or I'm certain it's not like that all over the world, but we love macaroni salad. We love good macaroni salad, and that's why I want to share this recipe with you. And guess what? It is even better the next day. So if you're having a gathering, double up on the recipe, make it the night before, and the next day, honey, it is so good you cannot even imagine. I'm going to just dice up my red onion. You could use white onion or even scallions if you want to, but red onion is just perfect here. That looks good. I'm going to add the cooked and drained elbow pasta. Now, if you want to make this low carb, like I know a lot of people might want to, substitute either cauliflower, which I know you might be sick and tired of the cauliflower. I am not. But you could also substitute a mixture of veggies. Say you want to do zucchini. I would just dice up a bunch of fresh vegetables like zucchini, maybe carrots, bunch more peppers, some broccoli, steam them for a few minutes and then add them in. All right, now that we have all that in there mixed together, I'm going to add the Dijon mustard and mayo. It might look like it's a lot of mayo, but you know, it's a lot of pasta salad. So for about a pound of pasta, you're going to need about a cup of mayo. And then you're going to need all of your seasoning. This is what makes it really good, is the vinegar with the seasonings. I don't know why, but it is too good for words. And then a really good pinch of salt. And now just carefully mix it all together. That looks gorgeous. I'm just going to give this a taste. Not perfect. It needs absolutely nothing else. All it really needs now is to set in the fridge a little bit. And I'm telling you, tomorrow this will be sticky and like, I don't even know how to put it into words. It's just like magic happens overnight. This, my pulled pork sandwiches, a glass of pink lemonade, all of which recipes are on www.laureandthekitchen.com, is the perfect summertime alfresco menu. It's really good and classic. You can't go wrong. Comfort food at its best for summer. I love it. This recipe will be on laurainthekitchen.com, like I said, along with a ton more recipes for this summer season. I hope that you give this a try. I'm gonna try not to eat the entire thing myself because I will. Hope you enjoy spending time with me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.